Unlock the power of AI directly within your code by integrating Gemini Pro into Visual Studio Code. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add your Gemini Pro API key to VS Code, opening up a world of iPort assistance for your development projects. First, you'll need to obtain your Gemini Pro API key, which you can do by visiting the Google AI Studio website and signing up or logging in once logged in. Navigate to the section where you can generate a new API key. With your API key in hand, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the extensions view. Typically found on the left-hand sidebar, we'll be looking for an extension that allows Gemini integration. Search for a suitable Gemini AI integration extension. There might be several options, so choose one that has good reviews and appears to meet your needs. Once you've found one, click on it to view its details. Click the Install button for the chosen extension. This will add the necessary functionality to your VS Code environment. After the extension is installed, you'll need to access the VS Code command palette. You can usually do this by pressing a specific keyboard shortcut, or by going to the View menu and selecting Command Palette. Within the command palette, search for a command related to configuring the Gemini API key. For the extension you just installed, this command might be named something like Set Gemini API Key or Configure Gemini Pro. A prompt will appear, asking you to enter your Gemini Pro API key. Carefully paste your generated API key into this field. Once you've entered the key, confirm it, and you should see a success message, perhaps in the VS Code notification area or down in the status bar, indicating that your API key has been successfully configured. Congratulations! Your Gemini Pro API key is now integrated into Visual Studio Code, allowing you to harness the power of advanced AI for code completion, suggestions, and much more, directly within your workflow.